So, hey everyone, welcome back to our personality build up series. Today we are going to discuss about the very important concept to analyze any company and it's a core. So, the topic is P&L. Now, the full form is profit and loss account. This profit and loss account has many things, means your income, your expenses and your profit before taxes. Today we will discuss up to the profit before taxes only, and the more detailed video will be coming soon. So now, in summary, what is PNL? Let's take an example. If you have brought something from any store to sell it on your margin, then you have made that margin as a profit, but at what cost? So it means you know what's profits and what's loss. That's we are going to discuss. So let's move to our topic. So now, this is our PNL format. In this format, we can see here the section A as revenue, section B as expenses, and section C where it will be termed as profit before taxes. So now we will just focus on our section A and section B. Now this format also includes notes, means here will be in this format only amount will be written, and by the notes it means below these below this format there will be the reference of this note, means if the revenue has number one note, then below this format there will be a sub note that will be called as notes for the PNL, and in that first note there will be the revenues full disclosure. Now there are two periods also given. Why there is two periods? It is because to compare the previous one and the current one. Now why it is, as per the new schedule, it will be very easy to compare any company's previous data and current data. So now moving toward our internal things, like the first section contains the revenue. Sorry for the disturbance. The first section contains revenue. In this revenue, we can see revenue from operation means you have a business and you are earning the income from your core business. It means the revenue from business. And other income means if you have invested your money, company's money, in somewhere else, and you have gained the some investment profits, then it should be noted in this other income part. Now that's the total of the revenue is over. Moving towards the second section, which is expenses. And in these expenses we can see there are mainly 6 to 7 terms which are defined, which is first one is cost of material consumed, second is purchase in stock in trade, changes in inventory of finished goods, work in progress and stock in trade, employee benefits and finance cost, depreciation and amortization, and other expenses. Now one by one, what are they? We are having only four things very important to understand. Means first thing is raw material consumption. The amount will be the given for how much the raw material was consumed to make a finished goods. Now the second important thing is employee benefits expenses. Means if you are your company of course have employees and you are making some expenses on them, like you are given something like wages or salaries to them, then it will be included in these employees benefits. Or you have given any employee trips, means benefit trips, where you have your employees enjoying your trips on the expenses of company, then this will be termed as employee benefit expenses. Then third thing which is very important, it's depreciation and amortization expenses. means your company has plant and machineries, it will be depreciated annually. Now how much depreciation value was given previously and in current year, it will be measured and amount will be noted in this. Now the last, which is very important, is finance cost. In finance cost, if your company has taken any loan from the else banks, and this bank will given this bank will also charge the interest on it. This interest amount will be noted as an expense in this profit and loss account in this format. And the finance cost consists only interest or, sorry, it also consists many things, but the finance cost will also include the interest cost. Now these are the four things which were very important to know, what are the very important expenses. Now after subtracting the revenue and expenses, means revenue minus expenses gives the profit before tax, and this amount profit before tax, if you apply the tax also, then you will get the profit after tax, which is very, which is important to analyze any company. Now this was our PNL concept, and I hope you enjoyed this video. In very short, I have explained some crux of the PNL. Now do like, comment and share as much as it can be, because I am not gaining that much publicity from this series. Let's hope very very well that it would get the hype which I want, and let's make it.